Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage spatial audio for your headphones Beats Solo 4. You have to start by open settings, then click on your headphones. Now click on personalize spatial audio, click again, continue, start. Now position your phone in front of your face, and after that move your head to the right and to the left. Yeah, and don't use your headphones. And that's it. Now we should waiting. Go back. And as you can see, it didn't work. Oh yeah, it's working. Cool. Yeah, so now you have it by personalized. And if you want to, you can click stop using and just remove it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.